In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flashcards in NotebookLM. If you're new to NotebookLM, think of it as a tool that turns your own materials, like PDFs, Google Docs, and web links, into study aids you can work with. Flashcards are one of the fastest ways to study key terms, definitions, and concepts drawn directly from your sources. So let's walk through the process clearly and simply. First, open your notebook. Head to notebooklm.google.com and sign in. Once you're in, choose the notebook that already contains the sources you want to study. These can be articles, class notes, research papers, or links you've saved. The quality of your flashcards depends on what's in this notebook, so it helps if your documents are clearly organized and relevant to the topic you want to review. If your materials include headings, summaries, or well-structured sections, NotebookLM can use those cues to generate sharper cards. Next, go to the Studio panel. Look for the Studio tab in the interface. This is the workspace where NotebookLM creates different kinds of outputs based on your sources, like audio overviews, mind maps, reports, and, of course, flashcards. The Studio is designed to keep everything grounded in the content you provided, so you get results that reflect your own reading and research rather than general web summaries. Now select Flashcards. In the Studio panel, click Flashcards and NotebookLM will begin generating a set automatically using the text from your sources. Behind the scenes, it scans your materials for key concepts, definitions, important names, and relationships, then drafts question and answer pairs. The number and variety of cards depend on how much content you've added and how focused it is. If your sources are concise and on topic, you'll usually see clearer, more useful cards. If your sources are broad or include multiple subjects in one notebook, expect a wider mix of questions. As the cards appear, remember that these are grounded in your materials. That means they reflect your terminology, your notes, and your reference texts, which makes them especially helpful for class-specific or project-specific studying. A quick tip: if you're preparing for a quiz or presentation, skim your sources beforehand and make sure they cover the exact topics you care about. That way, the generated set aligns well with your goals. And that's it. Open your notebook, go to the Studio panel, and select Flashcards. In just a few clicks, you'll have a tailored set ready to review, all built from the documents you trust.